Looking forward to prepare that delicious soup this weekend. Then I just want to suggest something for you. Prepare this delicious feki light soup, or prepare any soup with your feki. Trust me, you will fall in love with it. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I smoked this flavorful, delicious smoky, and trust me, you will fall in love with it. So I have my feki here. Okay, it is very big. Okay, so I am just going behind camera and then cut it, or I just want to get that outcome I'm looking for, and then we are good to go. Okay, so this is how it looks after cutting it. This is what we got, and I am just going to clean it very well. So it has been cleaned already. I cleaned it very well with my lemon juice, and you can as well use vinegar to clean it. Okay, but I use lemon juice, and I cleaned it for 4 good times, and now it looks very clean. I will then go ahead and then use my paper towel to remove some of the moist out. Okay, even though it has been in the colander for some time now, about 30 minutes, and it is a bit dry, but I'm just going to use the paper towel again to wipe some out, since we cannot be able to bring everything out. And then you see this one, it is very dry. Now I will do it one by one till I am done with everything, and then we are good to go. The feki was very big. As you can see, the drumstick is very big. Okay, yeah, that is just by the way. Some of the meat entered my nails, so that was what I was removing. Make sure your nails are clean before holding it. We're holding any meat or anything with your bare hands. Okay, if they are not clean, then you have no choice than to wear hand gloves. Okay, you just have to wear some gloves so that you will not transfer anything to the meat. Now I have my black pepper, cayenne pepper, I have some chili pepper, I have parsley, all purpose natural seasoning, I have my ginger, garlic, onion, and then my garlic. With that, I am now coming to add it to it. Okay, and I have my other seasoning, okay, that I made at home. You can go through the channel, and then I'm very sure you will see something. Now I will mix it very well, and this is what we have. Okay, I will just go ahead and then add some salt to it, add the pepper, ginger, garlic. That is the yellowish thing you just saw. That is pepper, ginger, garlic, onion. I've added my salt, I've added everything to it, and I have my feki ready. I'm just going to pour this on the feki, and then ensure that I coat the feki with this very well. If you want to add oil to it, you can go ahead and do so, but I am not going to do that. Okay, already we just want to bring out the oil. That is why we are smoking it. We just want some of the oil out. Okay, so there will be no need to add any oil to it if you want to smoke it. Okay, so I will make sure the marinade enters the meat very well, and then we can proceed. Make sure you your salt is not too much. Okay, what you just saw, the liquid you just saw, is not what do you call it, oil. Okay, that is smoke liquid I've added, and I'll just go ahead and then cook the meat very well, as you are seeing, and then we can proceed. So do it bit by bit, or do it gradually, or do it one by one. Yeah, that is it, so that each meat can have the seasoning. Yes, we are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. Trust me, you will love it. Okay, you can as well smoke your feki in another way. Okay, without cooking it or without adding marinade to it. You can just add some salt and then you are good to go. So after everything, this is how it looks. It is well prepared and ready to enter the oven. Trust me, at this moment you can allow it to stay for some hours before you let it sit in the oven. Okay, so I think I allowed it to stay for some hours. Okay, and then this is how it looks right now. We will allow it to stay for some hours, and after that I arrange them on my fish rack, and we are going to put this in the oven straight. Yes, so after some hours, this is how it looks, and then we will put it in the oven straight. I am not going to pressure it. Okay, the heat I used was 350 Fahrenheit, and it took about 8 hours. So my sister and brothers, before we got to this point, and as you are seeing on the screen, trust me, it is very dry, very, very, very dry, and the owner of this fell in love with it. Yes, he fell in love with it, and trust me, if you try it this way, you will also love it. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, and please do not forget to like the video, share to others. I will see you in the next video, and always remember, I love you, but Jesus loves you more. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.